Okay, the final video number 6 here. Here we go, phonetics. Question number 20. Identify the change in the place of articulation for the nasal in bold print here, and for displosive T, also in bold print, in the sentence below, and give the term that is used for this phenomenon. Okay. Well, the term used is regressive assimilation. Hitting back. Well, let's see why. Well, if you check out one man, if you focus on one, which usually is alveolar, tip of your tongue against the alveolar ridge, but because of the fact there is a bilabial M following, it already takes over that position too. So you get something like one man instead of one man, because that would be very difficult to do. So regressive assimilation, the bilabial M causes the N to become bilabial too, sounding like an M. Okay, and with white box you get the similar thing. You cannot actually hear the T anymore because of the fact that there is a bilabial B following. The alveolar T already changes position and turns out to be some sort of a P. It's still voiceless, but you change position there from alveolar to bilabial. So the B causes that T to change into some sort of a bilabial P sound. Well, that is regressive assimilation too. Okay. And the other one, question number 21, which direction does the assimilation take in who's this? Well, that's the other way around. Now the S causes the TH sound here to sound like some sort of an S too. Who's this? And that's what you do in fluent speech. That's progressive assimilation. So your arrow should go from the S pointing towards the TH. And the S is the cause of that TH to turn out like some sort of a Z sound. Progressive assimilation. Okay? And then the final question, describe what the 3 frequent intonation patterns are. And use examples. Well, the first one is attitudinal. And in that the intonation also carries some sort of a meaning. If a speaker says Mary with a rising pitch, he probably doesn't know whether Mary's there or not. So that's a question. Is she here? Yes or no? A rising pitch. So when he says Mary, and he goes down the end, so falling pitch, he knows she's there and he's calling for her. So that carries some sort of a meaning. Yes. So, and the second one was the phrasal function, and then you point out which groups of words go together, as in a day in the life of the king. A day, that's grouped, in the life, falling intonation, of a king. So you group the words that go together, and that's the phrasal function. And then the final one is the focus function. If you say, we've got an Indian elephant, or you say, we've got an Indian elephant, you focus on Indian or elephant, so you're quite sure what the question was. Well, have you got any Indian elephants? Have you got any elephants? Yes, we've got some Indian elephants. So you focus on Indian. And have you got some Indian elements? Yes, we've got an Indian elephant. And then you focus on elephants. So that's the focus function. You point out, you pick one word, and you emphasize that one the most in the sentence. So that's your nuclear pitch, that's your focus. Okay, that's the focus function. That rounds off this session here. I hope things are clear. If not, please send me a mail. I'll try and explain. Well, good luck on the actual test. Bye-bye.